Hey, here's me with another short discussion on everything about internet and YouTube, which is like that what nobody needs, but I'm here talking about it, so maybe you'll find something interesting. If you do give a like and subscribe, or tell a friend, maybe he'll subscribe, because the algorithm cares about it, and because it will show me that I'm not talking to myself all the time. So, what I'm trying to say today is, I've did mention this topic a while back about me having more than one username on the internet and changing it from time to time and finding that quite useful and quite practical. And the reason why I do that is because it doesn't matter, really. It really doesn't matter. I mean, if you manage to bring your branding to a point where you're actually recognized and you have subscribers that follow you and know you by your username, internet persona, or however you want to call it, pen name, whatever, then yeah, maybe it's a bad idea to change your username and go as JZS instead of JZY as you were before, because people will look for JZY, not JZS, and they'll wonder where you went. Yeah, what happened to you? Did you die? Did you go to Mars? Did you get kidnapped by aliens? Like, what happened? Anyway, but if you're like a person with 2 subscribers or 2 followers, or you just realize that whatever person is looking at your art doesn't actually want to follow you as persona, but it's just your grandmother or your friend or your classmate from middle school who simply wants to know what you're posting so that he can talk about it with his friends at the end of the day. And if that matters for you, yeah, sure, keep them there. I mean, don't change your username if they matter for you. But if they don't, and if you want to explore a new style and see if that catches up and gets recognition on the interwebs, start fresh from zero. Change your name. You're Fluffy X now instead of Shark 14, and do it that way. And see if people actually join the wagon and like your art, and see if they manage to engage, and see if you get something from them, because it's the art world. You have to stay relevant, or you have to have people liking your art. That's part of the art. I mean, art for art's sake, it's great, and I do it for myself, and it makes me happy, and I'm fine with that. But if you want to, have people looking at your stuff and commenting and saying great job, or hey, you've advanced, you progressed since last month, your style is more defined, or etc., then try to find engagement manners, like talk to people, join groups, join forums, and try a new style, or try a style that you don't have the courage to try at your current profile. You wanna go make a grotesque style of art, or rococo art styles, and it doesn't fit your fluffy ice cream gelato palette that you're using now in your colors. Go 180 and make sure that the people that come to your new account are people that you trust, or wait for the people to come and then announce that, hey, this is me, because it's complicated. It's a rough world out there. Some people just follow you to laugh about you at the end of the day with their friends. The moment you post your art, they're like, hey, look what this guy did, oh my god, he's so ugly, ha ha ha. And that's why I recommend changing profiles. I mean, trolls will be everywhere, bullies will be everywhere. It's not like they're gonna disappear just because you change your profile. They will find you if they really want to. Some people just live for that, and you have to be ready for that, because they're not gonna go away unless someone educates them and go to a psychiatrist and treat themselves. They're just gonna be there every time, every day, always. But you don't have to live in fear of them. You don't have to worry about them. You just have to learn that there are people in this world that value your work for your work and not for whatever someone talks about you in the corner of the street while they cannot even hold a pencil. So don't worry about it. Try, experiment. It's your art, it's your work. You don't even have to post it online if you don't want to. You want to try something new? Try something new. Forget all about the consistency and all about the fun and all about the, yes, we want to see more of this or that or X character from X series that you have grown out of for a long time, but you still draw it because your people ask for it. You can do it once in a while to make them happy, but you don't have to deliver content for them just because they ask for it. I mean, unless they're paying, in which case, yes, do it, bro. You gotta pay the bills, so do it, bro. Do it, make it, work it. Anyway, I get in that mood. But what I want to say, it's don't be afraid to change your hat every time you need a new one. You might need a new one today. You might need a new one tomorrow. If something doesn't work, it means that you have to start over. And I'm not saying it doesn't work for a month. I'm saying if you're trying it for like 5 years and it doesn't work, then maybe, just maybe, you need to push in a different direction for a change. And I'm not saying to give up on your dream. I'm just saying to reshape the dream in a way that might fit the world better. Or maybe you just jumped into a certain movement out of fashion, like you started drawing anime because everybody was doing it and it was pretty, and you said, oh, this will work because people like it, and nobody likes your anime because it's like the same as everybody else's anime style. So that is when you have to move away and do your own thing and do it good and do it with fun and make sure that the pleasure that you feel when you do it goes through your art, because people can feel it, and if it's there, if you're having fun, it draws people in. It really does. Just saying, food for thought. Anyways, thank you for today. See you around. Same as always. Bye.